GPL code protection is a way a developer can lock down a GPL program file so it cannot be viewed or modified. GPL code protection and unprotection can only be done on a GPL program file located on the local drive. GPL code files for projects on the controller flash or in controller memory cannot be protected or unprotected. To protect a GPL code file, simply select the file in the GDS Project Manager and right-click to access the Protect File command in the context menu. When a file is protected, you can enter a description and a password. The description will be embedded into the protected program file and the password is used for encryption. After encryption, the icon used to represent the file in the Project Manager display will change. Protected files cannot be opened for modification. When a project with a protected GPL file is copied to a controller, the file remains protected and cannot be viewed. The program can still be run by the embedded controller. The user is notified if an invalid password is used to unprotect a project file.